How to use Bonchat. Looking for a secure alternative to Messenger or WhatsApp, Bonchat offers encrypted chats, group tools, and privacy features. Here's how to use it step by step. So first and foremost, download Bonchat from the Play Store, sign up with your phone number or email, and then verify with a code that they sent you. Customize your profile by adding a photo, display name, and status. Adjust text size, language, or dark mode and settings. So take note that if you're not from the US, you cannot create an account on Bonchat directly. You'll need an invite with a server ID, IP, or domain from the channel to where you want to join. And then once you have that, you can go ahead and join and set up your profile. So once you have your profile, tap the chat icon to start the conversation. You can send text, images, videos, and files. All messages are protected with end-to-end encryption. You can also create group with your friends, family, or work. And Bonchat includes unique privacy tools. Anti-screenshot mode prevents others from capturing your chats. Night lock secures the app during certain hours. And device verification ensures only trusted devices can log in. And that is how to use Bonchat.